In this video, I will be sharing with you 20 simple and very much practical ways in which you can market your self-published book. And you do not have to use all the methods, no. You just need to pick maybe one or two which works best for you, and also consider your budget, because some marketing methods may include some expenses, like paying for ads may include expenses. So if you're watching this without having subscribed, hit the subscribe button below. It's free of charge. Now let's go to method number 1, Amazon optimization, or SEO, that is the search engine optimization. And here is whereby you ensure that you use the relevant keywords in your title, in your subtitle, in your book description, and even in your backend metadata, and even in your relevant categories. Choose the right one, pick the best categories. So now when we talk of SEO optimization, this is what people are looking for in Amazon. You do not want to write a book. Let's say you've written a book about decluttering, and then maybe you're using your keywords related to cooking, related to recipes. No, ensure that you use the right keywords, and you can use tools like Publisher Rocket, KDP Spy, or even Amazon Autosuggest. In my another video, I have explained keywords in detail. You can check it out. Then the second one is email marketing, and here is where, before publishing your book, ensure that you build an email list. And you can use platforms like MailerLite, ConvertKit, System.io, and many others to collect emails. After collecting emails, you send regular newsletters with value and occasional book promos to them. And you never know, some of the emails may turn into sales. The third one is social media marketing, which is very easy, where you need to use your platforms like Insta, TikTok, FB, X, Pinterest, or any other social media platform. You share your book. You don't have to share the whole book. You can share the cover page, the back page, or an insight of the book. Then you can use hashtags like self-published author, book talk, or the relevant hashtag. And also make sure you give value when sharing the content. Say your book, what is your book about? What value is your book bringing to? Then create an author or website blog, and you can use tools like WordPress, Wix, or CAD. Here is where you will include your bio, the books you've written, an email sign up, blog post, your contact info. Then you write SEO blog posts about topics related to your book to attract organic traffic. And a pro tip, you can add buy now buttons linking to your Amazon product page. The next one is YouTube and video marketing, where you can document your writing journey. You can post a book trailer, reading excerpts, reviews, and tutorials in form of a video. And ensure you use YouTube SEO, keywords in your title, description, and even hashtags. And also include a call in action and link to your book in the video description. Number 6, which is my favorite, running of Amazon ads. Of course, these are paid, and you can start with automatic ads with a small budget like of $5. Then as you progress, analyze and create your manual campaigns based on performing keywords. The other one is FB and Insta ads. Of course, these are also paid, and you can use engaging visuals like book cover mockups, testimonials, video ads, and many others. So if your audience are on FB and on Insta, they are going to get the ads, and maybe they may convert them to sales. Then leverage book review platforms. Get your book to be reviewed by people. You can use platforms like BookSprout, Story Origin, Book Silence, and you can also ask your email list or social media followers to leave reviews for your books and avoid fake reviews. You can, the next one, submit to free and paid book promotional sites. Yes, there are some sites which promote people's books, like FreeBooksy, BookBub, BookRebel, eReader News Today. These are free, and paid ones are Bargain Booksy, Robin Reads, Book Cave. And it works best when your book is discounted or free for a few days. You can do host giveaways, and you can use platforms like Rafflecopter, King Sumo, or Insta. And here is whereby you offer a signed copy, a match, or even bonus PDF. And this will help to give your book exposure. You can collaborate with authors, and you tap into each other's audience for cross promotion. You can exchange email features, social media shout outs, or bundle books together. You can participate in anthologies or even book sets. So now what you do, you choose authors in your genre or niche with similar reader demographics. Okay, you can also get on podcasts. And in podcasts, here is where maybe you can pitch yourself as a guest in a podcast, and you mention your book and how it helps their audience, and ensure that the podcast that you're reaching out to is a podcast that is in your niche. Let's say if you're talking about mental health, ensure that you reach a podcast that is talking about mental health. If it's about entrepreneurship, ensure that you're reaching an audience that is talking about entrepreneurship. The other one, you can create a trailer using apps like Canva, InVideo, Adobe Express, and in that video you can add dramatic music, voiceovers, visuals that reflect the tone of your book. And in this will be a short video that is summarizing just the vibe, the message, and the storyline of your book. Then you share on different social media platforms. You can utilize Pinterest marketing, and Pinterest works like a search engine, and it is great for non-fiction, lifestyle, and self-help books. So how you do it, you create pins linking to your book or blog. Then you design vertical graphics using Canva. Then you use keywords in pin titles and descriptions. Then you pin consistently or use a scheduler like Tailwind. Another one is joining reader communities and forums. And here is where you engage directly with people who are already reading similar books. The other one is joining reader communities and platforms. And here is whereby you engage directly with people who are already reading similar books. You can do this by joining FB groups, Reddit forums, Google Reads groups, and many others. Ensure you're participating by giving values and not just promoting your books. Give value and be genuine. Another one is book signing or local event marketing. And here you can partner with your local bookstores, libraries, or community events. You can print a few copies and give for signings. You can include flyers with QR codes to your book. You can also contact institutions like schools, churches, or NGOs, etc., etc. Here is where you do it physically, and you start with your local area. You can offer bonuses or companion materials. Here is whereby you can accompany your book with something like a workbook, a video guide, a private community, or printable downloads. And you also require proof of purchase to access bonuses, maybe via email or a private link. And this helps you to build a list and increase word of mouth. Another one is content marketing, value first strategy. Attract people by providing useful information related to your book's topic. You can do this by writing blog posts, recording videos, or even creating guides around your book's niche. If your book, for example, is about overcoming anxiety, you can create content like 5 ways to handle panic attacks and many others. You also have participate in book challenges or hashtags on social media. Always check out for the hashtags which are trending, maybe monthly or weekly, related to books. Let's say, for example, if we have like hashtag March Author Challenge, you can get into that challenge and ensure you put your book in those challenges. Also, the last one, bundle your book with services or products. Accompany your book with something else like a course, coaching, templates, or a match. For example, if it's a productivity journal, you can sell it with a time management course. And this is great for building brand authority and increasing pricing power. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and let me hear from you.